Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education.
Hey guys, James the Chart Guys. It is Tuesday, June 13th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold, after this inside candle bear break, the high and low of the candles previous days, high and low, we've now seen further downside. Back tested this 20 MA. We do have a reversal candle that formed today off the 20 MA, the middle Bollinger Band. And obviously we need to wait for a green day to confirm this confirmation that this reversal is happening. And what we want to see is the 4 and 8 EMAs being regained, get another TCG bull cross. Again, TCG bull cross is when the 4 EMA crosses above the 8 EMA for continuation back to the upside. As far as the weekly goes, we do, since this pullback here, we are setting higher highs so far and higher lows. So we'll see if this is as far back as we're going to pull back or if there's going to be further downside here. And as far as the senior miners go and the junior miners go, the junior miners have been much stronger. And you can see, I mentioned that the junior miners had a inside candle. So high and low, this candle is within the previous candles high and low. And we broke bull on it by closing above the high here at 32.02. On this candle, which the senior miners did not have an inside candle, inside weekly candle bull break. You see we've had some more upside, and what's nice is we are setting higher highs on the weekly. So we had this high at 34.17, then broke it by 34.20 by 3 cents, and broke it this week again, and the high here is 34.69. So daily is getting this TCG bull cross. Has been nice upside, had this nice upside here, some consolidation pullback, and further upside here. And what we're looking for here on the weekly is, you can see on this weekly, we've rejected so many times. So we lost the 8 EMA here back on February on the weekly, and we have not been able to regain this 8 EMA. We've rejected multiple times now. And looks like we're going to be able to close above it if we're able to maintain these levels. And that 8 EMA currently is at 33.20. If we're able to close above that and then get above this 20 EMA, we're likely to get a TCG bull cross 4 EMA over the 8 EMA on the weekly for the longer term charts. And see, we had one back here, and you see we looking for a further upside here, potential more upside here, and we need to get above that 20 EMA on that weekly first. The senior miners are showing not as much strength, but they are moving, and you can see we're in a pattern here of high on the weekly, lower high, and we're setting lower lows. So you can see this big rejection on the weekly here at the 20 MA here on the senior miners. And so we need to make sure we don't have a red week tomorrow and have further pullback. And if we do, I'm going to look for a lower low to maintain this pattern here of lower highs and lower lows. And that low here is going to be at 20.89. So on this weekly, we need to really break above this 20 MA and not reject. As far as the daily goes, we did have a green day today. We want to see more volume, but the difference here is that the daily still here is rejecting the 8 EMA on the senior miners, and we need to get a close above that 8 EMA before we take a long position in the senior miners here. So junior miners, again, if you're looking for a bull miner play, I would play the junior miners over the senior miners, as the junior miners are showing more strength. And if you're looking for a bear position in the bear miners, I would play dust over JDST with the senior miners GDX and NUGT showing more weakness than JNUG and GDXJ. Dust is showing a bit more strength than JDST is. So Dust today is down 2.96%, whereas JDST today is down 6.6%. So clearly, you can see which one has more strength and which one has more weakness there. So have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.